Hi mates, today we have a rare sighting of the species Herbivorous Josmoius in his primal state. Oh, look folks, he has some kind of writing on his leg. I think it says, what is that? How many inches are you? Oh, that's something I've never seen. Oh, there's more on his foot. In his other foot? What is that? I snore loud. Yes, indeed he does. Another rare thing of this beast. Look, as he snores, I think he's doing the move, the lean back move. Look, lean back, Joe. Oh, they did it. He did it again. Wow, what a rare sighting, people. Very rare.